Billion-dollar startups founded by Nigerians, inspiring success stories. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible topic, the amazing success stories of Nigerian entrepreneurs who have founded billion-dollar startups. From healthcare to fintech, these innovators are reshaping industries and making a massive impact. Let's take a closer look. Number 1, Cityblock Health, transforming healthcare. Our journey begins with Cityblock Health, a groundbreaking startup co-founded by Toyin Ajayi. With a worth of $5 billion, Cityblock Health is revolutionizing primary healthcare. You see, Dr. Toyin Ajayi said, "I've dedicated my career to serving Medicaid patients. At Cityblock Health, we're committed to compassionate care and making a difference in people's lives." Cityblock Health was founded in 2017 by Toyin Ajayi, and Bagros. The founders shared a vision to create a transformative healthcare model that would address the complex needs of underserved and marginalized communities, ensuring equitable access to high-quality care and support. Number 2, Calendly, simplifying scheduling. Next up is Topo Wotona, the mastermind behind Calendly, valued at $3 billion. This modern scheduling platform is changing the game for businesses and individuals alike. Topo Wotona's Calendly was born from the desire to eliminate scheduling headaches. His vision is to make scheduling effortless for everyone. Number 3, Flutterwave, empowering digital payments. Moving on to Flutterwave, a fintech powerhouse founded by Olugbunga and Iyanaliua Aboigi. Flutterwave is the largest startup in Africa with a value of $3 billion. Flutterwave is revolutionizing digital payments across Africa and beyond. In words of Olugbunga, our mission at Flutterwave is to create seamless payments infrastructure. We're proud to have processed over $2 billion and earned prestigious awards. Number 4, Andela, engineering excellence. Now, let's talk about Iyanaliua Aboigi, co-founder of Andela, a software engineering powerhouse valued at $1.5 billion. Andela provides training and jobs for African tech professionals. Andela is about unlocking talent potential in Africa. They've trained over 100,000 engineers and gained support from industry giants. Number 5, InterSwitch, pioneering fintech. Mitchell Elijb, the brain behind InterSwitch, has taken the fintech world by storm. With a valuation of $1 billion, InterSwitch is transforming digital payments in Nigeria. InterSwitch was born out of the need for better payment solutions. From a time when the company had only 3 banks on its network, InterSwitch has grown in the last 19 years and now has 11,000 ATMs across different banks on its network. In 2019, Visa bought a fifth of InterSwitch at a valuation of $1 billion, making InterSwitch Africa's first fintech unicorn. Number 6, Isusu, bridging the wealth gap. Isusu is an American fintech company, founded by Wemamo Abe, has reached unicorn status with a valuation of over $1 billion. This fintech firm is on a mission to bridge the racial wealth gap. Isusu was built to create equitable financial access for everyone. In Wemamo Abe's words, Isusu's vision is to empower communities through financial inclusion. We're using data to create equitable opportunities and reshape lives. Their mission is to dismantle barriers to housing for working families. Wemamo and his co-founders turned 326 rejections, and a long night out in the cold, into a unicorn. Isusu was created on the premise that where you come from, the color of your skin, and your financial identity should never determine where you end up in life. Number 7, Paystack, leading fintech innovation. Finally, let's talk about Shola Kinlade and Ezra Olubi, co-founders of Paystack, a fintech sensation that has taken Africa by storm. In November 2015, Paystack became the first Nigerian company to be accepted into the startup accelerator Y Combinator. Shola Kinlade said Paystack is all about simplifying online payments. Our journey began in 2015, and we've transformed the fintech landscape in Africa. Paystack launched in January 2016 and became the first Nigerian company to be accepted into the Tech Accelerator Y Combinator program, and received funding of $120,000. October 2020 came with another milestone. Paystack had been acquired by the U.S. payments giant, Stripe, for over $200 million, making it the biggest acquisition in Nigeria. And there you have it, folks, a look at these incredible Nigerian entrepreneurs who have founded billion-dollar startups. Their innovation, determination, and commitment to making a difference are truly inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and remember, The next big success story could be just around the corner.